So this is the detailed assembly of the Dasara doll stand. So you get it in a box like this. So the instruction manual will be inside the box so that you can easily assemble it. So first take out all the parts. Now take out part A1, A2 and A3. And angles like this, they are A1, A2 and A3. Keep them in one place. So first take out part A1, A2 and A3. They are the angles given like this, they are the frame. A1, A2 and A3. Keep them in place. Take part Z. Z will be written on the board. So take that part. And before you assemble it, just make sure it is bent properly. Just bend it fully so that it's easier to assemble. Bend it fully, just yes. And now just have a look at it. So the idea is to assemble Z like this. This is the way. So take A1, A2 and A3. All the three slots are inserted in the part Z. And the part Z is inserted in the back side also. There is a slot given in the back side of the frame also. Gently just give it a push. Yes. So this is completely gone in. So you have to see it, it's completely butted. Just make sure it is gently pushed. So this will be the formation of Z. So after assembling Z, take part X. And for X also, just bend it slightly so that it's easier to assemble. Now these slots will go inside this slot. Gently just press it inside. Okay. So as you see now, the part X is inside and this flap will go inside this bigger slot. After this, take part B1. B1. Yes. So B1 part will be like this. It will be written here. B1. So align it with X. And just gently press it inside this slot. You may see a small gap, but that doesn't matter. Just press it so that the gap is closed, like this, yes. After this, take the part Y. Y, yes. Just like previously, just fold the board before assembly. Part Y to be folded. This part Y will go and sit on the back side. There's a slot in the back. Just align it with it. So you completely close it. Yes. And just leave it as it is. For temporary, just leave it there. C1. Take part C. You can see here C, right? Just bend the C part a little and then put it inside this bigger slot on the second step, which you see, yes. Just align it with the first step. Now that it's sitting there, just gently push it over here. Just a gentle push and this will sit inside. Take part B2. B2 is similar to B1 here. So that will go and sit on this step. After this, the Y flap will go, and just like how C1 sat, this will also go and sit. Just a gentle push on it. is strong, sturdy. So after this, the first step is D1, D2 and E. So this is like second, third and the fourth step. The first step is part E. So this is the bigger part. Just watch it carefully. Make sure it's folded correctly before you start assembling it. Now take part D1 and D2. There will be two slots, boards given as D1, D2. Just insert it inside part E like this. This will go completely inside this. Yes. Now after going inside, should it straight? No, just give it a roll like this. Yes. After this, after giving it a roll, this will go and get inserted here in this part. Just give it a small gentle push. Just align it and give it a push. Yes. Make sure it is flat. After aligning it, just turn it over. So the fourth step assembly is complete. Now to dismantle this, want to keep it back? Dismantle is simple. Take part first step, then remove part D4 first. Keep the board support. Then you remove Y. Then you remove C1. Then you remove B1 and X. So similar, the last one, first you remove this slot. Gently just take it out. Okay. Take it out from here. So you can place all the boards back inside the box. Now, to remove the first step, go step by step. So, first gently remove this, then gently remove this. And you can finally remove the D1 board. Now place all these boards back into the box.